In this video, we're going to be talking about how you can receive money with Ria Transfer. So let's hop over to Ria Money Transfer's website, right? So here are the different options that you can use to collect money. You can receive money in a bank deposit, via cash pickup, mobile wallets or home delivery in only certain countries, right? To know which location you can actually pick up money, you can select locations on their website. And then you search for the city closest to you. So let's say I'm going to search for Kingston. Say I'm going to search for Kingston, Jamaica. And it shows me all the available outlets that are in Kingston, Jamaica. And you can literally select the one that is closest to you. You can also pick up money at any transfer location that is available. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.